Ko te mauri tūtau mai, ko te mauri noho tau mai, puritia no te ngā kotango te ao kiko, I te ao wairua, kia rongo te ngā kupu, kia rongo te ngā Māori ka eke ki te ao kura tāwhiti, haumi hui e, tāki e, and welcome to this week's CNI First 15 Rugby match. We have Lindisfarne College taking on Francis Douglas Memorial College, ka nui ngā mihi ki aua karati. Now today we're going to go straight to our team list, starting with ko te haukainga, ka tū tēnei kemu ki roto o Ahuriri, he rangi ka puapua, te rangi nei, here we are no, anei te kapa o Lindisfarne, Hutchings, Turner, East, we've got Beck Allen, Timms, Reedy, Dawson, Davey, Simutoga, your ringa raupa, ko te tū whāngai, ai tēnei rangi, Ari J. Smith ko te topatahi, te aue rangi puke tapu pene, ka haere ki ngā kai taka wainga mō tēnei tukinga. Kai reira te kaumā rua me te kaumā toru, TK Taylor, Bennyfield, your pariro is J. Pinfold, ko te haika mō tēnei kēmu, ko Reed Palmer, played a little bit of Saracens Global Youth, touch player and also representative. And then we head to ko ngā whakapiki kaha, tēnei rā. We got Bruce Griffiths, Beardmore, McIntosh, Waiariki, Hunia, Gus Munro, and rounding off your Lindisfarne First 15 College is Mikaere Ngā Huka, Mihiana. Ko ngā kaiako mo tēnei kapa, Mihiana ki te tokorua, Laurent Brawa ko Blair Cross and that is your Lindisfarne First 15. No reira, koutou, ko hono mai Mihiana. Ka huri ana nei ki te kapa o Francis Douglas Memorial College. We have Deegan, Eulenberg, Willis, Wesley, Crawford, ko Jack Walls, te kāpini o tēnei kapa, Vanda, Moriarty, Morati, ko te ringa raupa, te nama waru o tēnei kapa, Luteru Isaiah. Ko te tū whāngai, I te rangi nei, Luca Thompson, ko te topatahi, ko Jack Lawn, ka haere ki ngā parirau, Gonan Rawa ko Scott, ko ngā pūtaka wainga o tēnei kēmu, ko te tekau mā toru, Carter, ko te tekau mā rua, we have Kelemete PJ, Whao Agali, mihi ana ki a koe, ko te haika mo tēnei wiki, ka timata Ben Willis, ka haere ki ngā whakapiki kaha, mo te rangi nei, Aim, Troy, Haira, Vega, Manutahi, and rounding off your Francis Douglas Memorial College First 15, Sam Watson, e ko ngā kaiako, tēnei kapa, Leo, Rauko Thomas. And that is your Francis Douglas Memorial First 15. E mihi ana. We have a few slight changes from the original sheet we were given, and it's always good to be on top of that stuff. Willis has been playing a little bit of pariro, but he's moved to Haika. And then we see Flynn Scott move to that right wing. No reira, you can hear, ko hika pene takaringoa, ko koutou kai whakapāho I tēnei rangi, he rangi ka puapua. You can hear a little bit in the microphone. We've got some top line gear here at the ground, and it picks up a lot of stuff. Here we are no. Both these teams, proud teams, will start off with ko te haukainga Lindisfarne College, founded in 1953. Lindisfarne College is a state integrated Presbyterian boys' school. And on the other side, Francis Douglas Memorial College was founded in 1959. E ko tō rātou kōrero ki ana, Crystal Deuce, with Christ their leader, koira, te whakamārama. Ngani ka hoki anō, ki te teo ngā whakatauki, Lindisfarne, puritia tō mana, ko te mana atua, ko te mana tangata, kia mau, kia ita. Protect your power, the power of the ariki, the power of the man. May you live long. It's something that we hope that lives long is our sponsorship. So we'd like to acknowledge and thank Te Taurawhiri, Te Reo Māori, for their ongoing support and development with Te Reo Māori and strengthening its presence in events like this. Whakata Māori, Māori Plus ka nui ngā mihi, and a huge thank you also to our sponsors Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, That's for Apollo Projects and Anchor, whose sponsorship enables us to share these events and this event with you and your whānau. So thank you for backing the growth of sport and community and initiatives across Aotearoa. Well, I had caught up with a few people that follow France Douglas and reminded me the wealth of All Blacks that have come out of this kura. Ka tīmata ki ngā tuakana teina, Bowden, Scott, Geordie Barrett, all went through here. Conrad Smith, Duplessis, Karifi, Liam Coltman, and also All Black, and then moved into coach, John Mitchell. So they've got a plethora of All Blacks, ko puti tērā o ngā kura. Kāre ro ka puta mai ngā kapa, i aiki ngā kōrero, ka takoto te mānuka, ko te haka tērā o ngā kura, kei au tētahi kōrero mō ngā haka atora wā. Nō reira, it's a great day for some running rugby. As we know, kei ahureri tēnei kēmu i tēnei rangi. I just want to highlight a couple of kai tākaro mo tēnei kēmu. Beck Allen studied graphic design. Fletcher Dawson, mihi ana ki te kāwai whakaheke, no roto mai o Fiji, Bolivanaka. Kick-off is due for 11. And we can just see tāhunei ko ngā kaiwa wao. Kei te rongo i ngā kaiwa wao e whakawhiti kōrero. We do have the luxury of having the referees mic'd up today. So we do apologise if there is some unforeseen language picked up on the microphone. We will definitely do our best to make sure that we can mute as much as we can. Here we are, no. Kāre ro ka puta mai ngā kapa. Francis Douglas, obviously from Ngāmotu, New Plymouth, and Lindisfarne College from the Hawke's Bay. Kia ora mai. E te iwi. I roto i ngā wiki, ko ki tēnei tātou, ka takaro i tahi wā. Tōna tikanga me tīmata i te tekau mātahi karaka. Engari, i tahi wā, ka tō muri. Kei te rongo tōni tātou ai te kāwa wā, ākane ka ngana ki te whakatika. Nō reira, e tō wātuatahi, ki te whakarongo, ki te mātakitaki, ki tēnei tukinga nui, kei Whanganui e nei kura. This is CNI, First 15 Rugby, Central North Island Rugby. We also have 5 other games going today, and it's kānui ngā mihi, a big mihi to the group that have put all this together. Kānui ngā mihi ki Rob, Janelle, Mandy, there's so many people behind the scenes that have made sure that sport for our rangatahi is getting broadcasted in many different ways, different forms. We've had multiple sports this year, canoe polo, water polo, volleyball, kiwarahi. And it's just awesome that we can watch. If we can't be there in person, we can jump on. Whakata Māori, Māori Plus, kei runga nuatu. And at the luxuries of your home, you can spark up the fire, sit in front of the lounge and watch some homegrown sport. Tāhunei ki te takaro. We are a little bit behind kick-off time, but I'm sure we'll pick that up. And we can just see as we go. Anei, puta mai ngā kapa. Tuatahira, puta mai te manuwhiri. Ko whakawhiti mai i te hauāuru. Ki te tairāwhiti. Te ika Māui. Puta mai. Tō rātou kāpene. See number 5 there, Jack Walls. And he's looking very, very focused. Te kura, no roto mai o ngā motu. Mihi ana ki te kāhui maunga, koutou rā, kei runga noa atu. Rere korite. Taiho ake. Ka puta mai. Ko te haukainga. Anei. Kei reira. As you can see, the Lindisfarne players, they put the players with the caps. So they receive those as playing many games for the kura. And here we go. We have FDMC. He'll lay his cap on halfway. Okay, tō rātou. Ākene. Taiho ake ka whai atu. Lindisfarne hoki. It's a nice show of respect, but also you just see the experience of those cap players. And Nate, we will just mute our mics and let the hukas begin. Ko takoto te manuka. Lindisfarne. Kai te rongo au I te hi. Ai te wehi. A te ronga manuka ko takoto. Re e mihi ana. Only place in the world you will see kura doing haka no tēnei whenua representing their kura. Welcome. Ko hiki pini o tai whakapāho. Tēnei tukinga nui. The CNI, XV Rugby, he rangi kā pua tēnei. We've got a beautiful, the stage has been dressed very, very nicely. And we had to the groundsman. What a wonderful setting and what a wonderful piece of pitch to play on. You just hear that passion. It does look like. Got a couple in this farm if you've just checked in. We do have Ari, J. Smith and Te Aue Rangi Puketapu Pene, where the service of Smith will be vital for Pene to put his team around the field. Nō reire te iwi, kei reire te Kaiwa Wau with the field. Save. A little bit of a fumble. Yep, knock on to start the game. And Hana, the Kaiwa Wau adjudicator. It's a beautiful pressure there. Lovely way to start the game from Pene. Te Awerangi, number 10. Big touch rugby background also. Hawke's Bay Open Mixed. 2026 Nationals that was held down at the lower hut in Pornick at the Whanganui Aotearoa. But first look at both forward packs. It's a big battle up front with Oliver Willis and Eulenberg from FDMC, and on the other side, Hutchinson, Turner, and Timms, the hooker for Lindisfarne, wants to become a pilot. Here he is with the camo headgear. What a beautiful day for some running rugby. In the Hawke's Bay there, so mihi ana kia koutou, MΑORI, kahununu, e mihi ana. It's a good push there. Oh, he started down. Smith darts down that sideline, gets the ball quickly out to Britain. One just a fumble, but we can definitely see that if there's a little gap down that blind side, RDJ Smith snipes out of there. They did have a good push on early there. Francis Douglas. And just like LC, Lindisfarne, the service to Jack Lorne will be vital. They had a very, very good first scrum here. Douglas, yeah, very stable. And we're happy with that. They're going to run it. Look at this, using their catch pass skills, micro skills. Out to the winger here. He's got a little shimmy. Oh, that's a great tackle. Oh, and you can hear the passion. Look at that. I think he may have held it up. A turnover there. Smith's in there looking, hunting for it. Well, running out from the scoreline. Look at this work just through the hands there. TK Taylor sets up. He's got options right and left. Smith. Whiri the Takamawi. Little inside ball. Oh, beautiful pop off there east. You can already see the synergy. Whanganui in there, Kaitakoro. Oh, it's just a big barnstorming run. Lindisfarne College. There's Artie Smith. Oh, and Reed Palmer's sniffing around the ruck. Te Haika. Lindisfarne College. It's going to settle in. That's a nice tackle there. And they're definitely going to move them. Put a little chip in behind. Oh, some attacking rugby. But ka hoki. Ia ki te Kaiwa Wau, ko kimi te tahi hāmene. Yep, not rolling away. Ki tau te mahi aringa te Kaiwa Wau. And great to see him playing advantage. Oh, and they're going to tap and go. Oh, just Hutchinson. Great into the ring. There they go. East. Oh, look at that. Really turn it up here. There's Penny moving through. Oh, held on to it. That was a great tackle. Stopped it from Fly Scott. Gets in there. Snuffs that attack out. We can definitely see Waitaki, a couple of Lindisfarne College. Ko te Oma Hāngai, Oma Maro. And very, very quick ball. But isn't it wonderful to see some running rugby? Looks pretty sure he'll start in about big super. Final tonight. Chiefs and Hawkins. Here we go. And you can hear the passion in the mic there from.
They don't want it. They're spineless. Get offside there,
Just keep play on. Yeah, he's running offside.
You don't want it, number one. You don't want it.
Running offside. Oh, and look, this is definitely. Tell you what, Lawrence and Blair have told their team, the two coaches, quick ball, move it. I think that is the Rautaki, but if the MC fronts Douglas, they're absorbing this attack from the locals. There's Smith, East. Yeah, he's definitely one of their big ball carriers. Oh, it looks like the opposite wall, so he had a hand on it. It's Dawson. Yep. Once again, Smith moving it through. Palmer. Catch pass. Oh, yeah, held it. Benfield. Once again, position. The weight of position. Palmer. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Look, honey ball. Big Allen. And just the weight of position. Relentless attack. And Lindisfarne, they open up their accounts. They caught out to Pedro Tuatahi. Wow. But you just saw the service of Artie Smith. Looks like Reed Palmer is another first receiving option. So you have Te Awerangi, Puketapu Pene, the Tuatahi first fight, but then you've got Palmer who pops up and just what a beautiful right hook flick Sunnyville like and Koia. Ko whai pero, te haukainga. We have Penfold Jade lining this kick up. And just be a lovely way for the locals. They had just so much possession and they managed to dot one down. Take the lead 7-0. Morena Koto ko horo mai Whanganui, we are 35-minute halves. CNI Rugby. What a beautiful shot on the Rangers there. To the far west of the field. They haven't had much pull at all, but Jack Warren will Tuatahi. That's a beautiful kick, and we'll just look at the oh, that's a lovely left foot exit from Lindisfarne. And we're going to look at see who the tall timber ideas say that we're looking around Walls of Crawford here for the Queer Carpenter Jack. And we just see the synergy here, and so going to go back to the captain, and why wouldn't you? Oh, yeah, still got a hand on it. It's again. Look at this. That's nice. Through there. Cleaning up. Oh, he's got his hands on it, hasn't he? Definitely disrupting. It's Lorne. Looks like PJ is going to be used along with Carter. He's Lorne. Oh, he's seen a gap. Oh, he's got some speed. He's just trying to. Wow. I'll tell you what, once again. Yep. Pene, Lorne, Tuatahi on Tuatahi. Oh, what a tackle. He absorbed that well, didn't he? Cohen, Morat. Oh, in behind. It's definitely getting in their space and just their presence. Still on his feet. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, tried to flick that. He's going to play through. Ref is play on. He's right there. Just saw the adjudicator look at his touch judge. They are in sync, but here we go. Pene. Tawirangi, yep. He's got a really beautiful left foot on him. Just if the he may run himself into trouble. Yep. And they managed to hold on to the ball there. Oh, here goes the captain. The big right mid out. Weekly, Oliver, Pomua. I think they might be wanting to get out of trouble here. It's a little left foot kick. Here goes. I've got the high cut. Yeah. Great work. Very good chase. Oh, what a turnover. It's a good service again. Just great first up tackles from Lindisfarne. But he's Lorne again. Gets it again. Once again, they're just up in their face, aren't they? Just full on pressure. What hustle for the ball there. Yeah, we'll go to the line out, but really, the locals, Lindisfarne, just their hunger, the outside shoulder defense, they're coming from outside in. and they're not biting too early. They're waiting till FDMC player gets the ball, but they're really cutting down their time and space. So e mihi ana ki te paua ko Haumaru o te kapa o Lindisfarne, defensive coach, and with their processes and systems, I'm sure they'll be happy at this stage. Now, once again, Jack gets up his lawn. This boy, he can sniff his body strong on his feet too. Very, very good first five there. The Topatahi Jack Lawn. Bought them some time. Yeah, but this is this pressure. Look, they're right outside umbrella defense. And it's very, very hard for Francis Douglas to get out of their half and get some real sort of rhythm in their attack. But it's a turnover there. Tim's found the pilot. He's found himself with the ball. This quick ball movement from Reid through the hands of Tawirangi. Shows Penne with the ball. Puketapu. It's a great tackle. Yeah, he's in amongst everything there. PJ, Fawakali, Kilemete. Slowing it down. Here's the pilot again. Tim's. Oh, unfortunate. Se Fiu Whakamua. And what an entertaining first 11 minutes. And it's a beautiful day. Hey, if you're local, come on down. Come on down. The sun is really popping through. It's just the ever so slight breeze, a very, very light westerly. Yes, and we just asked for a reset. E kanuinga mihi, big mihi to our Kaiwa Wild, to our referee, touch judges. A big reason behind the expansive rugby we've seen is just the way the game has been refereed at a very, very high standard. There we have Artie Smith. He's having a little kōrero to Tawirangi, Taylor and Benefield. But these systems here really enjoying. They're going to kick themselves out. He's got a lovely left foot also. Kilemete PJ Kawagali. And look at this chase. That's a huge boot from Parker. Oh, he's got the ball here. Tim Corrigan managed to just beat his opposite, but Palmer was up to it. Oh, that's a big barnstorming run here from the Telu. Isaiah. Yeah, that's what they need. Really need to pierce the fence, but oh yeah. Whoa. Once again, coming through. I tell you what, Isaiah, he wants the ball again. Oh, what a beautiful. Didn't they just disguise that so well? And we want to make sure we've got the correction there. Luca Thompson, halfback. Wow. Didn't he do well? It's a beautiful little set play. So yeah, we had the Telu Isaiah just deep on the outside. Looked like he was going to draw and pass, but the last second kicks off his right foot, Luca, and pops a beautiful, beautiful inside pass. And they dot down, and there we have it. Francis Douglas, they are on the score sheet. And if there's any, once they get within striking distance, they are a real threat. And there we are. We've drawn it up to try a piece and throw in the conversion. And it's 7-all. It's a correction on our score. They had to absorb a lot of pressure. Te Manuhiri, the visitors, Francis Douglas, absorbed probably 12 minutes of pressure and get one sniff down there. And they put a try on. Here we go. Palmer, what a beautiful, look at the height of that kick. Wow. Oh, excellent kick and even better chase east. We go through the hands. Out again. Oh, wow. Try score in the first. Oh, unlucky. Haven't they got just very good rhythm, catch pass, skill set. Let's have a little cordial here. I think it's a knockdown. Oh, yes. Just gone for a knockdown. It's, nope, they're not going to... no need to go to the pūkoro. Here we're not. Jay Penfold, he got himself on the score sheet. Beautiful kicker off the ball. The rarity, this is Māori plus whakata Māori. Me mihi ka tika. Me mihi ka tika hoki ki te taure whiri te reo Māori, the Māori Language Commission. Without those two big pieces to the puzzle, the only way we'd be able to watch this game is if we were here live. But here we go. The pilot, Logan Timms. Oh, yeah. And he receives it. Gets it back. In there. That's a great tackle. But manages to hold position. East again. He goes. Yeah, slowing it down, but he gets away with that. Timms. Great carry. He's got good support. Also, and Smith. We just checked off there. Fergus. And again. Dawson. Come through. Here he is. East. There's his mate in tandem. Reed. Ngā Teitei. Oh, te te o ngā ringa raupa. Dawson. And you can just see Palmer out here. And he'll through the hands. Catch pass. And we've got a double. We have got a double. And again, just beautiful. Beautiful use either side. Palmer finds himself best receiver again. Draw pass through the hands. Right hand corner. Try. Lindisfarne. And they've got very good processes also when they're in the 22. Here we are not. Tēnei wā te kaumārua ki te whitu. And the host, the locals. Big local crowd also. Me mihi ki te hau koanga. But it's been a nice testing kick. Struck the first one really well, Jay Penfold. Beautiful strike. Wow. What a kick. Oh, just short, however. He bent his chances, though. Struck it beautifully, but Lindisfarne. 2 tries, a double for Becky Allen, the graphic designer, studying graphic design. When he leaves, wants to haere ki te whare wānanga o te pōti, and travel overseas. Not a bad plan. Here we are not, hoki anō ki te topatahi. A Jack Lawn, restart here. Kicks deep, Penny with the big boot. Yeah, huge kick. Yeah, they're going to move it. Again, Lawn. It's not the best pass. Definitely took away his Palmer. And look at they're playing field position. That's another big kick there from Carter. Found some open space. Oh, what a beautiful kick. But see how good the chase is. The kick's only as good as its chase. I tell you what. Omua, Weekly. Oh, yes. And, we do apologise for some of the language coming through the microphone, which is out of our control. But hopefully they sort that. Here we are not. Kahoki anō. It's Thompson, Lawn. Yes, and just using his, mind you. Back to Palmer. Palmer's going to move it. Yeah, they're going to run this. Why wouldn't you? Yeah, that's a beautiful run. Oh, what hands. Mick Allen. I think that is his ankle. Let's have a little look there, Smith, Timms, and again, to the skill set of this Lindisfarne team. Pene. Oh, Palmer. Yeah, they just keep position. Yes, pick it up with Pene. Te Awerangi. Tupatahi. To take that one. Coming through. Outside again. Yeah, that was a strong run there. More. Joseph Turner. Smith. Oh, he's going to have a little dart down. He just had a little look. Oh, yeah. There it is. East. Look at East. He's all over it. Yeah, he's all over it. Just a knock on, but they're so hungry when they can smell a try there, Lindisfarne. They're just holding on there. You need to keep an eye on the two whāngai, RDJ Smith. It's the second time he's had a strike down the short sideline. But, we did talk a little bit about All Blacks from Francis Douglas, but there's been a few also from Lindisfarne. John Timu, Tane Randall, Israel Dagg, George Bridge, Campbell Johnson, Mick Duncan, a plethora there. And then also old boys like Sir Joe Williams, now a Justice of the New Zealand Supreme Court. So they've definitely got the Hākina and the academacy. Oh, this kick here. He's really, really helped them big time get out of trouble there, PJ. And Palmer just wants to settle things down. Take control of the tempo. No reire tiwi, welcome Māori Plus, whakata Māori, tauta whiri, te reo Māori. Bringing you this, without them this would not be possible. Thompson, Lorne, PJ, he's just having a little look. He has been a big ball carrier for the visitors. He's in the back there, Vander, Thompson, Lorne. I can just see a little bit of space there. Get a little bit of time there. Corrigan. Oh, this has been their whole Rautaki, their whole strategy. Oh, wow. Okay, couple, Pene, Awerangi. That try right there, that comes from just Hart. He chased that all the way through. They had a penalty, ko Harmony, tap kick, and he chased everything, put huge pressure on, I'm not sure if it was Scott or Corrigan, but just him being there, his want, his hunger, and there we have it. Lindisfarne, third try, goes to the Topatahi, Te Awerangi Puketapu Pene. And the mindset and I guess the execution, Lawrence and Blair calling up Hawako, the coaches, they'll be stoked. They will be very stoked. There we have it. Lindisfarne College, 19-7, and they've had so much possession. Big thing to highlight, ko te haumaru. Ko te noho tahi, ko te piri tahi. Their defensive structures have been so solid. Everyone knows their role. And they really cut you down. PJ for Francis Douglas, he's been a big ball carrier along with the Telu Isaiah. But just once again, back they go. It's a beautiful clearance from TK Taylor. But they move it against the lawn. Now look at them. Look at the red jerseys. They're everywhere. There's nowhere to go. Jesse absorbed a big tackle there. Beautiful run. Yeah, East. Big man or little man, but didn't he absorb that? Here goes, out the Oliver Crawford. Open running rugby. Thompson, oh, that's beautiful. And once again, just their first up contact. It's very, very good. Here's Luca there. Off to Crawford. He's going to run it straight up. East is in there again. Po Tate on Po Tate. Luca just organising the backline lawn. Same thing again. Nice running hard, and he's had a big game. Cohen. Ringaropa, open side. And once again, look at them. They're just right on them. Jack Willis, the Carpenter. He takes a big, strong carry. It's Luca again to lawn. And out his options. catch pass. There's not a lot of room, but Corrigan, they retain possession. This is good work. This is good work from Francis Douglas. And again, Cohen takes another hit. Up again, here's Luca. Going to use the Pomua there. Yeah, Oliver. He's coming through. PJ, what a ball. Look at the speed. Is he going to hold possession? Yeah, nice little chip in. Could be a bit too deep. Yeah, just a little deep. Barty had a little look. And Scott comes through. And they had a little glimpse, but once again, there just seems to be called up Poraka Whero. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Very good understanding of where they are on the field. We're going to come back for a slight knock on. Once again, just these three adjudicators, the referees did an amazing job. They are all working so well together. Here we have Vardy, Jay Smith, Feilding o Ngāti Parau, Ngāti Kahungunu, local. And this is probably a game that does suit Francis Douglas. Got a good push, but once again, look at that. Good straight running. Oh, and again, oh, yes, just unfortunate. But a beautiful break there. Beautiful break. Te Takawaina Taylor. It just put a bit just direct, so direct, run straight, hard, pierced the defence. But Penny, he could sniff another try. There we go. Down on the portal. To Manufini. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. But, yeah, I think get a knee on the ground. Yeah, he had to release him. They've just got such great idea around space and zones of the field where they send their defensive numbers. Good to see here. Yep, tell you what, in the Taitama or Te Kura or Francis Douglas Memorial College, they've travelled a long way to be here. Haramai in Amotu. And definitely here to play some running rugby, which we'll hope we'll see tonight at the Big Super Rugby final down there in Porniket, Te Whanganui Ātara, ko ngā Whio Hurricanes, tākorata ki ngā rangatira, the Chiefs. But that's a beautiful throw from Willis. Oh yes, it's PJ again. He has a big role within this team. Look at him, just nice, direct, beautiful carry of the ball. There's another Hanamai, Fetu, Oliver, Eulenberg, goes Pomua. Oh, Cohen, open side flanker. Who loves the rough stuff also? There's another pick and go. They may keep it tight here. I think they will. Oh, look, he's on it. He's on it. Yeah, reps play on. He had a couple of digs there. Oh, and again. Luca. Wahumanga Pomua. Yeah, they can also smell one there. Manuheri. Pick and go. The defense has been Lucas Lawn. Oh, there we go, through the hands, catch a pass. And yes. Once again, just the patience. Vandu, he dots down, gets on the score sheet. And you can see the quality. Of Francis Douglas, Memorial College. Really loved the change up in attack where they went to the power of their forward pack. Wheatley, Wallace, Eulenberg. Corford was in there. Obviously got the Carpenter at Walls, and then Vander, Isaiah. So they've scored late in the first half, 35-minute halves here, and we have Jack Lawn. Another great strike of the ball. Very, very close sidelines, isn't it? See how well manicured the head. Yeah. Let's give a big me to the groundsman. Lindisfarne College. Outstanding trimming. But here's Lawn. Yeah, just slightly off to the right. But wow, just like that. Definitely dominating Lindisfarne, but you can never, ever sleep on Francis Douglas Memorial College. And a few ex-players are on display tonight. None other than Geordie Barrett and Duplessis Karifi, local ex-students. And I dare say they keep an eye on how their first 15 school goes. But Te Awarangi, Whaketapu, what was Palmer? Beautiful. Here's another beautiful striker. Oh, he's on that. Smith off to Timms. Yeah, great run. Palmer. Oh, yeah. He's definitely hitting the ball at pace, wasn't he, TK Taylor? But Luca to Lawn. Is PJ again. He's got a nice little chink, hasn't he? His left foot. Look at that. Out of nothing. We'll play on. It was forward. And he's everywhere. I'll tell you what, he is everywhere, Charlie is. Covers the ground, covers a lot of ground. But cleans out the ruck. Straight through. And poses himself. That's his primary midfield. He's going to go. Oh. Ferguson Bennyfield. Yeah, the sea of red. Why don't you?
We're backing you, of course. We represent the sea of red.
Yeah. Ferguson Bennyfield. He says, hey, I want to join the party of prize. They just bounced straight back. And he sliced through 40 odd 50 metres back there, Fergus. And he has just been so disciplined and stuck to his role. He hasn't gone hunting any extra ball. He's made all his tackles. And one opportunity to execute, nails it. And I'm pretty sure Jay Penfold is going to nail this kick. Go out to 26-12. At the goal line, just shy of half time. And I dare say, Konga Pomoka, I dare say the coaches of Lindisfarne and all their coaches staff would be pretty happy considering had the momentum, the momentum structures really stand out. They've got a very good understanding of the roles of players and their defensive systems. Here we go again. And there's another good exit kick. Come through back to Lawn, and you watch all these red jumpers. Yeah, that is good to go against the grain. I'm not sure if he's going to find any open space, but Palmer, he wants the ball. They're going to move it. They're going to run it. And why wouldn't you? Draw pass, yeah. Oh, yes, and just plucked out. Probably should have gave it the first. And they've left the door open a little bit here for Francis Douglas. But we want to see running rugby, don't we? However, we need to execute the simplest of skills of catch and pass, and you can see under pressure, left to right. Always good to have homework, mahi kāinga to work on. We're back to Liam Willis. They've been pretty consistently going to the carpenter jack. But they may change it up, and they did. Oh, yes. Thompson, Lawn, pretty short to the ball carrier with a move wide through the hands. He's definitely got a bit of speed out there. Matthew going in, hasn't had a lot of ball, but look at what a turnover. Wow. Huge turnover there. Just waiting for halfback to come in. There's Timms again. Palmer's going to move to first receiver. Hardy Smith to Palmer. Yep, just good ball movement to East. They've got everyone there. Smith again. There's Palmer. He's very elusive, isn't he? very, very elusive on his feet, very, very calm. It's a great option. We want to apport a Tim, but ko hamene. I get to go well, right on the stroke of half time. Refs found a penalty here, offside penalty to hamene. I think they're just asking if we kick it out, what is, are we going to half time or do we have enough time to attack? Ka whakahoki te pōro, kia te awerangi puketapu, pene, Palmer. They're definitely going for length on the kick. Palmer's got a great strike of the ball also. Oh, but thugs that one. But the main thing is ko puta te pōro and our future pilot, Logan Timms, steps up. They've got a lot of options. They've got some tall timber here. Potete, yep, and Kafukia Fletcher Dawson. Goes, oh, what a run. Beautiful run there. Davey Sumitoga. Mirangi just sneaks one behind. What a chase. Oh, and Palmer. Wow. He deserves this free Palmer right on the stroke of half time. Te awerangi puketapu pene puts a beautiful little grubber which caught the opposition out of sorts, and just like that, Reed Palmer swoops on it, and he looks very, very the goods, as they say. Saracens Global Youth, Hawke's Bay touch, Hawke's Bay under 18s and 16 rugby representative. Very light on his feet. I just love how they have Te Awerangi and Palmer as two first receiving options either side. What a great strategy from the coaching staff, and they've implemented that to the T. Speaking of the T, he'll slice this one through and grab himself another couple of points there. Penfold. There we will have it. There is half time at Te Iwi. Lindisfarne College 33 over Francis Douglas Memorial College 12, and we will see you after halftime.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
MāORI ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
No mai hoki mai e te iwi ki tēnei tukinga nui ke Whanganui i a Lindisfarne College and Francis Douglas Memorial College. Now, I do just want to take this time to let everyone know who our sponsors are. We'd like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank Whakaata Māori for providing the platform to share this event with whānau across Aotearoa whānau, helping us showcase our rangatahi and bring the action to audiences free of charge. That's right, free of charge, and accessibility no matter where you are located. We'd also like to acknowledge and thank the Tauta Whiri Te Reo Māori for their ongoing support and development with Te Reo Māori and strengthening its presence in events like this. A huge thank you also Bailey Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, and you would have just saw on the ad Apollo Projects along with Anchor. Now just quickly, if I do have time, I think it's vital that we just remind everyone who are in these teams on both sides. And a quick look there from our manuhiri. But it is time for the second half to kick off. Without a doubt, Lindisfarne, wow, they can hurt you from anywhere on the paddock. They've just got such great options across the field. Very hungry. They've got a very boisterous local crowd, as you would when you're at home. Ana Davey, Katahi Te Oma Davey, Te Pou, Ringaropa, Namawaru. Here we go. Smith through Taylor, Palmer. Oh, yes. Just in behind. But look at East. He's out there. Wow, he's everywhere. Hawke's Bound 18's representative. Te Pou Teitei. They've got a great combination also along with Dawson and Simutoga. Reira. Yes, and it looks like we've play through. Awerangi. Yeah. Well, what a great tackle there, just to stop that momentum. Cohen, yeah, he really put a stop to it because as we saw in the first half, Fergus Benefield, he doesn't need too many invitations at all. Have a little sniff. What about the, I think they call themselves the Red Army there. Excellent. See you, Red. Koya. And look at the focus point if you're the visiting team. And you've got that type of, oh, well, geez, what a scrum. Oh, nice little chip and chase there. Picks that, oh, yeah. PJ, I've been so impressed with PJ, with the kappa. Francis Douglas, we've got an advantage here. That's a great way to start, and Oliver Crawford takes one up there, but there's Luca, there's Lorne. He ran quite early in the first half and really kept him on notice, didn't he, with his speed and his feet. Oh, yeah, and once again, so look at the power here, just running through the heart of the Lindisfarne team. He may have his hands on that ball there. Palmer, wow. There goes Isaiah. Another great ball carrier. Yes, hard to handle. Scored a try in the first half. Him and Thompson. Little trick play. Look at this rushing defence here from Lindisfarne. Red jerseys everywhere. Here we are not. Luca. There goes Isaiah again. Bumps off the first one. Standing still. He's hard to handle. Luca, Lorne. He's got to pick his options here, Lorne. Yeah, once again, I think they may have close. They nearly had their hands all over that. No, he's going to play advantage. It'll be interesting to see the mindset. Yep, PJ's going to try and catch them offside. There he goes, and if anyone deserves a try... Oh, look at this. What an intercept. Oh, wow. Just like that, they were hot on attack on their scoreline. And then Fergus steps in, gets an intercept, goes the length of the field. And, wow. That is very, very impressive, to say the least. Fergus, very, very hard-working, talented player. Central Districts Cricket, Hawke's Bay under 17s rugby, under 16s, and obviously the starting centre for Lindisfarne College. They have started the second half, how they ended the first, by that same player. He actually scored, tried just before half-time, and now he scored the first and the second. Jay Penfold has been superb with the boot today. Jay steps up and, yep, back him every day of the week to throw that one over. Wow, 40 plays 12. And Lindisfarne, they're a team you need to contain when they're in this type of mood. You've got a Hirangi. Mokapuna tēnei. Kei ahureri tātou. Whakapāhua tōni kia kouta kei te kāinga. Ka nui ngā mihi. And wherever you may be watching this, the CNI First 15 Rugby, hope you're cozy, you got your cuppa, and you're enjoying the rugby. Unfortunately, we do have a injury here, stoppage time from our ref. So you see we have the healthcare out there. Yeah, it looks like a little... well, we won't assume what the injury is, but it's great to see we've got our healthcare on hand. And it could be... I did hear someone say Arnie. Hopefully it's he's been outstanding. If it was Arnie J. Smith, the two whānau, the halfback, it's been outstanding service. Absolutely outstanding service. But here we have one of our substitute players on. Waiariki Hunia, some 20, will get the official name to the number. That's a good clean. Managed to hold on to possession. Cohen, yep, like the worth ethic of Cohen. Open-side flanker for Francis Douglas Memorial College. He's Isaiah. And this man here, wow. He has just either got them out of trouble or created something from nothing. He's got a huge, huge work ethic. Huge motor. Yeah, look at this. Another turnover. Just the amount of turnovers. There's a good Joseph Turner playing a role. One of those roles that sometimes go unnoticed. Turner, but he's been in and around. Right straight and catch past his... Oh, yeah, wow. Look at this. Oh, he's up with Rangi. Gets up with Penny. Oh, jeez. Let's just go through the head. Oh, that is outstanding. Sam Britton. But I want to go back to Beck Allen. When he got his hands on the ball, they run direct, they run straight, and they run hard. And then, like all good first fives, Tauwerangi, pick it up a penny. He was there, little side goosey, kicked out, and then Sam Britton. Born in the UK, Sam. He finds himself on the score sheet for Lindisfarne. And they go out to a 45-12 scoreline with the kick to come. Just on this left edge, that's that big mihi to the groundsman there. Look how well those hedges are trimmed. Here we have Our man, Jay Penfold, steps up. He'd love to nail one from the sideline, wouldn't he? Right in front of the Red Sea. Stroke it well. It's short. But, this is a big scoreline. 45-12. Unreal. Awerangi. Puketapu Pene. He's been around everything today. Led his troops well. And a big mihi also to Charlie East, imposing himself on this game. The Potete, the lock. But multiple players are really performing at a high ilk. Here we have Vaughan kicks us off. Here he is. East takes that, sets it up. Yeah, here's Hunia, 20. We will get the correct number. Palmer coming through. Taylor. Yes, through the head. Oh, it's a try score. That's good rushing defence there. Yep. From Matthew Goon and Levin had to step up and close down the space of time. Check down low. Also, we get to see Saywell's doing the game. Also, Manutahi. Francis Douglas made a few substitutions. Also, Bruce Legs. Catch up there. Yeah, to protect well, Britain. They come. Coming through. Wow. Straight and hard. It's like Penfold. With Paumua. Hutchinson. Is Hunia. Back in Palmer. There goes the pilot. Hunia again. And he might try to torn pass. Oh, just slid over. And a player opened there. Here we are now. Lindisfarne to Poro. Palmer. Jeez, he looks so deceptive with the ball. He's got silky skills. Here we go. Oh, Tepo. Watu. They hold him up and get it down. They've held him. He's just short. Yes, just short. They've got to go wide to the right. They're just trying to get the ball back. These players all over. There we go. And dives over. Yeah, Katika. And just once again, just the weight of possession. It's just been formidable for the come out. Really wanted to just kick the ante up. That's another try to the locals. It's, I do just want to make sure we have the correct players that have come on. And we just want to hit quickly. We've got AIM has come onto the field, X. And I did see Manutahi and Mihiana. So they've gone to the bench very early. And also on the other side, just quickly, our number 20 has come on. Waiariki Hunia, who has replaced R.D.J. Smith, who has had an outstanding game of service. His IQ, he snuffed blind sides early in the game and really kept the kick. Just sliced it. But J. Smith, hopefully that injury isn't too bad, and I no doubt it'll be a name to listen out for. But there we have it, 50-12, Lindisfarne over Francis Douglas Memorial College. Wow, just they've got such great skill set, big mihi to their roles and responsibility. All their players know their role really well. But he's on, starts us off again, and change sides. There's Cohen in there. Yeah, he's been one of Francis Douglas' best open side flanker. Here goes Taylor. Big left foot. 22's on also, and we'll get this. Look at this, there's some speed here. It's just come out of the blocks, runs straight, runs hard, and that's a good tackle. On the other side, they've also made some substitutions. 22. Looks like Mikaere Lahuka. But they're going to tap it and go again. Here goes Davey. Te Namawaru Simutoga. Ringa Raupa. Ara. Charlie Hutchinson got through a mountain of mahi today. Yes, Hunia. Oh, here he goes. Timms. Oh, what a beautiful pass. Just off his hip. Oh, yes, there you go there. And Harry Reid, he was the last try scorer. Picking Harry Reid. There are two very similar with the headgear. A correction. Pretty sure when they watch the replay, they'll know who exactly it is. Yeah, ooh, the Red Sea. Pulled out the pole. Don't you just love it? Outstanding. Charlie aimed with the throw. Hook in there, didn't he, in the air? Refs play on. And good service there from Alua. That one. Just trying to find. What a great run. Big beat to these up to the forwards here. No one has held back. Everyone has ran straight, ran hard. Good physical first. Oh, that clearance there, trying to clear it out. They play on here. Yep, it's all over it, PJ. Oh, that's another great one. Wow, it's good to see this. Good to see. Oh, he's going to slice down in the corner, and just like that. Wow, they just started to show just a little glimpse of what they can do. Francis Douglas. And it's our guy again. PJ gets involved. It's a beautiful finish here. Beautiful finish here. Corner. Correction there. We want to make sure we've got the right people scoring the right tries. That is correct here, Flynn Scott. That is him. And Ben Willis is obviously in fullback. Also got a lot of substitutions on. Got a new goal kicker. Is that Norm? He can strike the ball well, can't he? Wow. That was a great strike of the ball. 15-17. Yes, Scott touches down. And I feel whenever a PJ is in and around Whanganui, whenever he's in and around the ball, just outstanding things happen. Along with Hurley Carter. Matamata, Katiawa, Parihaka. Yeah, gets a great take. Isaiah, just lost the ball, bobbling around. Waiariki Hunia, and they go there. We've got Reid, passing off again. Dawson. Yep, Waiariki Hunia. This is how they play their footy. Beck Allen. Now, I did say Harry Reid scored the try. Could have been Fletcher Dawson, so I'm going to give credit to both. They almost look like mahanga. But we've got a little niggle injury here, and it's great work from the adjudicator. Stop play. Safety of the players. But a big mihi, I want to hook out no to Carter in the 13 jersey, and also Whanganui. Carter, I've been saying PJ 12's name, but it's actually Carter. Ngāti mutunga te Aotearoa Parihaka. Laudia tohu te whiti mihana. Whenever he's been in and around stuff, number 13 for Francis Douglas Memorial College, ko tino whai hua ana mahi. Tino whai hua. Yep, sounds like there's a locals come on the field. We can hear him. definitely a favourite of the Red Sea. And Davey Simutuga has taken a well-deserved rest. There we go. Mihana. Thank you to our cameraman, all our sound production here, doing an outstanding job. Kei te kite hoki au, koe ke mai, Thomas Griffiths, 17. And there we go, Harry Dawson. Through the hands, catch pass. He's going to, he had a little glimpse. He had a couple of open players on his outside there, and Munro and Nahuka. Here he is, Reid, Palmer, playing to keep an eye on, Waiariki Hunia, Griffiths, straight, hard and direct. Here's Hunia in there again with the ball. Dawson, Bulavanaka. Oh, look at that. Barnstorm, oh, he's on the ball there, Isaiah. Yeah, oh, no, not quite. Oh, here's, well, 2 tries for Fergus, Bennyfield. They're just so hungry, aren't they? Everyone wants a little piece. Saw earlier, Jay Penfold had a little gap. He had 2 players open outside, but he had eyes for the prize. Here we go, Waiariki Hunia. Griffiths, Thomas. Ooh, you hear the Red Sea on the sideline. Mouth-watering stuff. What a catch and pass there from Chart. Was that Reid? Oh, jeez. And enter, if you will. On comes the substitution. Mikaere Ngahuka. And they just keep ticking over the points. Wow. 55. They've put on a quite a show this half. Put on quite a show. Here he is again. Great striker of the ball. Jay Penfold. Right winger. Another one that's been very, very consistent. Be happy with his performance today. They hold shape very well this farm team. You can just see him behind the end goal. Look at that. Yes, he throws them over from there, doesn't he, Jay? 57, plays 17. The floodgates have opened, but we have seen it both halves. Franz Douglas Memorial College, they only need a little sniff. Ka whai hua ngā mahi, whai pero. We saw Fry Scott scored in that left corner with the help of Carter. And yeah, unfortunately, still can't get that kick right. But this has definitely been a strength of them, the travelling team from Lamotu. They've got a great scrum. Very, very good scrum. It's been a good contest from both teams. You see Waiariki Hunia, got the 2 whāngai, halfback there, number 20. Yeah, there's something brewing in the Red Sea. And yes, it's a big contest, and we've got a couple of subs that have come on. So the ref says Taiho. Yeah, after whakarite. Nō reira, tēnei wā. Kei Lindisfarne te whoro. As they've been threatening all over the park, and we can just see East. He's moved into number 8 there. So he's played a big game at Potete at Lock. Now he's moved to number 8, East. Charlie plays a lot of different positions. Look at that. And oh, wow. That ref reckons play on. There goes East. Oh, here's Nahuka. Started down. Here goes Dawson. Charlie Hutchinson. Yeah. Well, just reset. Come through. Harry Reid. Potete. Palmer's there. Here's East. Look at the skills. Pass wasn't the greatest, but got the big left mid out. He's Palmer has a little look. Little glide. Carter's on it. Yeah, ripped it off him. Wow. And if anyone deserves a try, it's that boy right there. Carter. 13 for Francis Douglas. And that's another good turnover. He's Cohen. He'll go straight and hard. Yeah, look at this. Oh, he just, yeah, it was a great line, but you got to really want that ball, don't you? It was a lovely line there from Luka. The numbers, that could be Manutahi. 22. Francis Douglas. Fortunately, we've got a 22 on the field, but we do not have 22's name. So, apologies to the fan if you are watching and you see, there's my boy, there's... Sorry, we don't have number 22's name. Here we are now, haere tonu ngā mahi. There's a couple of smiles on the dials over there. Oh, look at this here. Oh, it's not great service. But if anyone's going to clean it up, it's Carter. Here he is. Oh, yeah. That's a great run. Even better tackle. Compared to see when. Here's PJ. Carter. Cohen. Here the Reds see the supporters are getting vocal. That's another good run there. Wally. Oh, look, this 21's on. Slices through. Yeah, exit off the Vander. Unfortunately, just a knock on, but you can see glimpses, can't we? See glimpses of FDMC. Saywell's on. Luca Johnson, Saywell. A lot of great subs, fresh legs. Smith, 17. Yeah, he had to take that one, didn't he? Hunia. Yeah, knock on. That's great pressure. Great pressure. Yeah, not... oh, yeah. And found another harmony. Harmony. Haramai Reed Palmer. Matamata. Here's Reed coming through. Yeah. Come through. Here we go. Hokiano. Few. It's been a strong point of both teams' games. Up they go. Look at that. Yeah, they managed to get their mitts on it too. It's Cohen. Oh, look at the pressure here from Palmer. Yeah, probably will. You can see the idea. It's just the execution. Look at the speed. Oh, Palmer. Oh, what great cleanup. Was that East again? No, it's not East, but it's definitely a loose forward. And it's another good nudge. Here we go. Ball's coming through. That's a little chip here. Oh, yes, Palmer. Oh, that's great defence. Yeah, can't get him. And out he goes. It's been a really good section. Good part of the field. Yeah, that is a penalty. Yeah, no need really. 21. Stepped in for Gus Munro. He's only just come on too. Yeah, look at the feet. That's a good tackle there. Good pressure. Yeah, look at that. Nope. Didn't quite have the karu up, but he's 21. Just loving the hunger and effort from them. Yeah. Hands for the ball. Yep, we'll march him up 10. Oh, here's Jay. He's got the arm tucked, not looking to pass though, but he sets it up. Here's Griffiths. Oh, what a great pass. Yeah, comes through to Reed. Oh, beautiful tackle there. Yeah, been one of the best players, PJ or Carter. Apologies, Carter. They've been absolutely outstanding, and just like that, stopped the raid. They were looking ever so slightly to put another pedal up, but and he comes. Carter stops it. And ka hoki anō. This has been quite an interesting part of the second half. Scrum definitely held their own in this department. Francis Douglas Memorial College. He wānanga kei te haere. Wānanga kei te haere. We can see another standout, Fergus. Benefield. He's moved into Topatahi. Te Awarangi. He's also had a great game, and we're watching rested up. First receiver, see Fergus. Very, very handy. And that, Kaiana te kaua wao. Yeah, another solid scrum there. Yeah, and there's our man. Big left boot. Here goes. Nahuka. There he is. Wow. It's big, strong, consistent and reliable. Bedfield. Just through, there goes East. Dawson, East. Oh, look at him go, East. Oh, he goes. He tucked the ball down too. Yeah, Wairiki Hernia. Thomas. Substitution comes on. Another one wants to join the party. Going to go catch pass through the hands. Palmer. That's good work. Wow. Through. And on comes the substitute. Gets a meat pie. Wow, just like that. And they have dotted down again. Yeah, she's a tough day at the office for the travelling team. But they just go back to what they've been doing. And McIntosh, was that Ollie McIntosh? Dotted down. And Nate. And it looks like we have a new goal kicker. It's brought it back just beyond the 22. I just see some music being played over. And takes a kick. Oh, sliced it well. Just to the side. There's the Red Sea. Oh, that's good work from Lorne. Another handy player. There they go. Still running. Like it was the first minute of the game. Yeah, there's Hastings and he's held him up. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to get the ball back. Yeah, it's, wow. Charlie East. He's got a massive motor. Huge engine. He started the game Potete, started as a lock, and he moved to loose forward, number 8. Referees found a penalty there. It's a nice run there. Say well. Oh, Isaiah, another great runner. Another play. You can just see the fitness in this team. Oh, and here he goes. It's going to come through with the Pomua. Charlie Hutchinson. Apologies, that's Wheatley Oliver. Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent work. There we go. To Namatahi. Oliver. 5 pedal. And he looked like an outside back. Just went ooze through. It's up. There we go. 62 plays 24. Lindisfarne College definitely been so dominant. However, the big thing about Francis Douglas is they just need the littlest of opportunities there. And there we have it. There we have it. A couple of minutes remaining. Just hear the passion, the passion of the locals. Oh, this kick. Willing them on, weren't they? Willing them on. Yeah. Just that. Oh, that was a silly. I think someone tripped him. Ref was onto it, but wide to Kihunia. Look, all offside out wide. Yep, through the hands. That's another nice little flick off. But another substitute that's come on. Yeah. Through they come. Oh no, Awarangi, he is out there. Yeah, Awarangi. There he is. Puketapu Pene. He wants to get on the score sheet again, but he's managed to hold on to possession. You feel the passion in this last few minutes. They definitely don't want their line breached again. By no means. Yeah, hard to call it out to Kaiwa Whale. He's just moved the point of the penalty, and I dare say this could be the last play of the half. Andrei re te iwi mihi ana, me mihi ki whakata MāORI Plus, te tauna whiri te reo MāORI, for the ongoing support and development with te reo MāORI and strengthening its presence in this event. A huge thank you as well to our sponsors Bailey's Real Estate, Celtics, Nativa and Apollo Projects, along with Anchor, whose sponsorship enables us to share this event with you and your whānau, and for backing the growth of sport and community initiatives across Aotearoa. Ka nui rā ngā mihi. And I dare say there's a few old boys such as Duggan, John Timu, Tane Randall, Campbell, Israel Dagg and George Bridge, who will be the old boys of Lindisfarne. I'll be quite chuffed. Here's Palmer, yeah. This boy has looked ever so lightly for a long, long time. His agility, composure, real. It's almost hold on like skill set as a young player. And well, 67-24. At 67-24. I'm not too sure what the locals are going. He's Penfold, Jay. He's have a great day today with the boot. There we have it. And 69-24. Well, we've had 93 points, if my Pāngaro's correct. 93 points in a game, wow. But me mihi ka tika. Big mihi to Lindisfarne for hosting. What a way to put on a display on your home pitch. Francis Douglas Memorial College gallants. And definitely Carter, Lawn, Walls, Cohen, outside flanker. Wow, big games. Hui no rere te iwi. Tēnei a hika pene a mihi ati ana kia koe te katoa, no rere kia taumana manakitanga ki runga ki tēnā tātou. Kia māhia te hua mā kiki, toi te kupu, toi te mana, toi tū te tiriti o Waitangi. Ka tūturu a whiti whakamaua kia tīna, haumi e, hui e, tāki e.
He was very good. Yeah. And is that there?